Morning. Putting on my shoes. Actually, it's not morning, it's noon. You know, if you can get out at around 8 or 9 o'clock, you can put some serious kilometers down before the day gets too late. But when you start around noon, then you gotta get some lunch or coffee or something. And it sort of screws up your whole mojo. I'm hoping to put down 70 kilometers today. I don't think I'll do the 100 unless I go into the late night or don't fly the drone so much or take so much video. I think you all know that that is an impossibility. Had a good night here. Community bunks there, but I didn't have to sleep with anybody, so it was all to myself. I splayed out all my stuff and charged everything, edited the vlog for yesterday. I think it came out nice. It was a really mellow vlog, it turned out to be. Because the wind was so crazy, I didn't get to really record too much talking, and I just kind of like just blew through it. Trike is ready to go, and this was my bed here. Took a nice shower. Look at my arms, so funny. It's like I'm two people. Somebody sewed somebody else's arms on my body. Just so you guys know, I had intended to fly over that tower in the last flight shot. I wanted to fly really close and around it. I encountered two things: extremely strong wind way up there and loss of connection with the drone. Put those two things together, it's a no-go for flying for sure. Okay, I wasted even more time. It's 12:30 and I'm just getting started. I ate like 2 hot dogs. I had a coffee. I bought a bunch of Gatorade and I'm ready to go. I bought a few candy bars too, so literally I should be able to get on the road and then just go. But I did waste a lot of time. Hello. Wow, I thought yesterday was bad. Look at that. I'm gonna try to fly the drone straight up. If it starts to flow away on me, I can land it right away. I just rolled over in the dumbest way possible. I found I was going up the wrong way, and I had to rise up this. I mean, it must have been like a 25-degree grade, but it was just like 2 meters of it. Like, you go up onto the sidewalk, and then as soon as I got up onto the sidewalk, I'm like, I'm at the wrong place. I'm supposed to be on the other side of the road. So I looked back, and I'm like, I can just let go of my brake and just roll back down and then turn around. But it seems like when you're under power and you're going up, you have a lot more control. But when you just ease off and you're going backwards down this like incline, so I'm going and the thing just just flips right over. Anyways, I'm finally on the road I should have been on yesterday, and it's already, oh my gosh, it's 1:46. Let's just aim for 50 kilometers today, okay? Is that okay, guys? Hello. Hello. I'm Matt. What is your name?
Peter John.
Peter John.
John.
Hi, B. Okay, bye-bye. Fighting, fighting.
Good luck, good luck.
Jayoe, my friend. I'm about to leave the river, and there's 2 ways. There's a long way that follows the river around into Busan, and then there's another way that goes across to Busan. I am guessing that the across route is hilly. If it diverges from the river, obviously it's going to get into some ups and downs. So I'm going to take the straight route, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know, it looks about 80 kilometers or more. And I'm looking ahead and I can see it starting to rise up right in front of me. Well, this route now, which is plotted on my map for bikes, is very close to the highway. Like literally riding on the shoulder. I don't know how long this goes, but I do know that I need to switch out into something right now. So let me swap out. Okay. Helmet's important for scenarios like this. I hope it doesn't go too long this way, but we'll see. I was just talking about how I don't get flat tires, and I get a flat tire in like the worst possible spot. I don't see a leak. Maybe it's just something really, really slow. I haven't checked my rear tire in a while. It takes the most weight. Maybe it just deflated. I'll bring it all the way up to maximum pressure and then hit the road again. You know what? I am gonna disagree with my map on this one. There's no way I'm taking that road the whole way. The shoulder's too small and there's too many big trucks. I'm gonna head to the river and follow the river road. It's gonna be a little out of my way, but it's not on that highway for sure. So I'm trying to find the return to the path, and I came upon a love motel. Now I'm sure there's a love motel, but it's very interesting. Hotel hidden hashtag, and it says designed by Dad. It has a little saying, hotel hidden. I've got dreams in hidden places and extra smiles when I'm blue. Tell me that isn't a little bit creepy. Weird day. I think if you go off the river paths, you're pretty much screwed. These are not the bike paths that I have known for the last few days. I'm not looking to go far today. I think I need a reset. I'm at 44.5 kilometers. Pitiful. But I think I'll be at about 50 before I find a place. I lost 50 kilometers today with the tire and the miscalculation on the roads and finding my way back. If I followed the river, I'd be farther along than I am now. Finally. Well, we're back to the bike trail. The river. Hi again. I'm back. You and I are gonna be buddies for a couple more days. Well, beautiful little marsh here. A much nicer place to work on the rear tire than the side of the highway shoulder. The tire is flat yet again. I really don't want to have to deal with tires right now. I kind of wanted to move on. I am thankful that it's not crazy busy and I can take my time. Okay guys, I'm gonna get back on the road. I'm not gonna video so much unless, you know, that gets harrowing, which would be interesting for the vlog, but I'm hoping for a straight up shot and I'm gonna get the heck out of here. I'm just gonna give you one more glimpse of the scenery and then I will catch you much later, hopefully. Come on, guys. Come on now. Come on now. I don't want to ride past these. I'm having bad luck already. I don't need this guy warning me of something. And this guy, he's doing this little thing like, you are nothing. I'm gonna pinch you. He's doing, I'm gonna pinch your face. It goes up and up after this. These guys are telling me, good luck. And like the worst, this guy's got vampire teeth. That guy had vampire teeth. What a day I'm having. All right, shifting into first. Up and up and up. Okay, don't look an evil face in the mouth. Because I'll tell you what, I rode up and I'm at a little temple, a little Buddhist temple, and I was just riding up, up, up. This is right now maybe, I don't know, 20 degrees, and I was riding up, and I passed by this place thinking, forget it, I'm just gonna keep going, no tourist attractions tonight. I kept riding up and I saw this place up here. Looks like a little bed and breakfast, sort of. Also sort of part of the temple here. I decided to walk down to the restaurant and ask if there was a room available. And yeah, they gave me a little room with a little floor and a little mat to sleep on. The only downside, I rode up here, now I'm gonna have to ride back down. That's not a bad downside. But I'm learning my lesson from today, and I'm not rolling down this hill backwards. The day comes to an end. Sort of. I'm gonna eat some food and wrap this up a little later. And take what I can get. Just in a nick of time. Just in a nick of time. Now, I'm not an exceedingly spiritual guy, but thanks, Buddha. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock is a breakfast time, and at 7:30 they gave me 2 bananas. I can't eat them, apparently. I have to leave them at the Buddha up there. I think this is a good end. A good end to the day. So I'm gonna start editing, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. It is a beautiful view out here, guys. Life is a lesson, you know? And the lesson is that if you move forward enough through rough patches, and today was not really a rough patch, just a couple of bicycle problems, but look where it ended up. I had just ate some food they gave me. I asked them about money. I don't think they take money, but I'll donate, I don't know, $30 to them tomorrow. Because I was gonna go up, and I don't think there was gonna be much else after this. Tomorrow, I'll be able to check the tire and make sure that it's good. They got a shower and a bathroom and a little room off to the side. I'm gonna go clean up, open up my laptop if possible, edit the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.